Hello everyone, this is Rick MacDermid with Senior Solutions Group. I want to talk to you about Medicare Part D. If you have Medicare Part A and or Part B, you are eligible for Medicare Part D drug coverage. I met with a gentleman earlier this morning who is in his mid-70s and has not signed up for a drug plan ever. And did you know that Medicare will assess a late penalty for every month that you wait to sign up for a drug plan? You can get a drug plan for the cost of a Starbucks coffee each month. That's how inexpensive drug plans are in 2021. Don't wait. Don't wait for the government to call you and say time's wasting, because they won't. It's up to you. Feel free to reach out to us, Senior Solutions Group. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll be happy to send more videos like this your way.